What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel and thank you for tuning in. Today we have a quick yet effective upgrade here to the LX2610 Kubota, because if you own one of these and you try to work on your property at nighttime with no accessory lighting, you know there's a problem. Let me explain. This might be a 2024 machine, however the headlights on this thing are from 1960, still rocking the old school yellow halogen bulbs. But thankfully we have a fix, thank you to Lasfit. If you don't know, Lasfit has been sponsoring my channel for literally the past 6 years. Since 2018, they've been giving me headlight bulbs and other accessories for every single one of my vehicles, and the tractor is no exception. So we got ourselves a nice set of LED headlights to replace the old school halogen bulbs that come on these machines. And then we also got ourselves a 20-inch light bar that's going to get mounted to the ROPS bar, because when working a tractor and you're using the front loader and a bucket up and down, you're basically blocking your lights with the bucket, so you can't see ahead of what you're actually doing. So this is going to help because it's going to be up and above everything, and it's going to allow us ample lighting forward. So once it gets dark here, I'm going to show you guys obviously a before, so how terrible these headlights and everything are without a light bar as well. And then tomorrow I'm going to come back out here, pop this stuff on, and we'll get some good afters of how bright everything is. All right, here's a good before of the old halogen headlights. And then this is the big problem. When you pick your bucket up, it just lights your bucket up.
A few moments later.
Yeah, buddy, that looks fantastic. Light bar up top looking super good with a really nice easy button. I'll show you that here in a second. And then LED headlights look so much better. That's literally what they should come with in 2024, however they don't. The button for the light bar, right here, off, on. And here is our after. Let's drive. With light bar, with no light bar. With light bar. This light bar is fantastic. And then now, if I pick up the front loader, even though it blocks the headlights, I still got the light bar. Extremely easy setup. I hope you would agree with me that that made a huge difference night and day, literally, from the stock lights and no light bar to having the Lasfit LED lights plus light bar. If you're shopping on Lasfit's website, use discount code JOHN10. It will save you 10% off your entire order. Once again, thank you, Lasfit, for always hooking me up, whether it's for a car, motorcycle, truck, or even a freaking tractor. Now I'm super excited because now I can get more work done at nighttime because I could actually freaking see. So thanks again, guys. Like the video if you haven't already. Subscribe, join the family, join the tractor build, and all the other stuff we have going on here. And I'll see you guys next video. Peace.